Okay guys, here you go. This is what a wash looks like when it's flooded in northeast Arizona, well, central eastern Arizona. We live way up there. This is my last water crossing, and it's the only one that had water in it. And luckily, I made it across here right before it started heavy flooding. There you go, guys. By the way, I don't think the UPS guy is going to try to cross. Like I said, I just made it, and it keeps rushing up here closer to me. I feel like I'm back on the coast. I was born and raised in North Carolina on the coast, and it keeps coming up. It's a nasty, boys and girls. Look at that. It's kind of cool as long as you're on the correct side of it. Yeah, it's coming up. It is coming up. There's a lot of mess coming with it, so we must got quite a bit ahead of me. Wife called and told me it was really coming down. Well, I think I better bail. It's going to start coming over the road where I'm standing at pretty quick. Here is an upper vantage point of the rain that we just got up here on the top. It is flooding pretty hard. I'm going to pull it in. I mean, when a draw turns into a river, stay out of it. Now, I crossed it, but I crossed it in the perfect time because it was just starting to come over right there. And as you can see, there is a bridge there, and it is not flowing under it as quick as it is going over top of it. Hopefully it doesn't wash it out. So guys, there is another view. I love rain. Might slow us down, but it makes the earth look pretty. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Happy trails.